Omar Rojas. I'm from Kingsville, Texas. I just like everything about boxing. The challenges I go through in the gym, and then the win in the end. It's the best. My family, they're a big support. My wife, she's one of my biggest support, but my mom's kind of, you know, don't want to see her baby get hit, but I mean, they love it though. They're there for me 100%. Just boxing, straight boxing. We're changing up some things. Me and Coach working on a little different things he wants to see me do. For me as a lefty, because there's certain things I do that lefties shouldn't do. So we're just changing it up and trying to be an actual lefty. It makes me feel, sometimes when I stop and really think about it, it seems impossible, but then I just blow that off and just say, I'm gonna go straight for it. Because I don't see it only as an opportunity to be world champ, be known. I can care less about that, honestly. But you're the world champ, everyone's gonna look at you, and I can give glory to God like that, you know. This is all because of him. I just want to thank my family, my friends, my wife, especially my wife. I just want to thank all the supporters and Coach, and thank God for this opportunity.